Hey guys, today I'm wearing my Teen Wolf merch. Love you, Stilinski. This video is going to be one of my Nags and Original top 10s. I actually do have 10. I thought I didn't, but I do. I just counted because I can count. Top 10 things that people don't tell you to do before you start uni and start freshers. This would have helped me, to be honest. But here we go, I'm helping you like the selfless Teen Wolf t-shirt wearing gal that I am.
Okay.
Number 1, register at the doctor's. Like, in all seriousness, register at the GP. Because if you get ill, which you will after Freshers Week, guarantee it, you're gonna want some antibiotics for that chest infection, you know? Not to mention all of the adult things.
You guys need anything?
That you might need to get from the GP during your time at uni. If you aren't registered, it's not gonna happen. You need to register, and if you do it before, then you'll be on the list when you get there. So you literally go onto the surgery website and register as a student. It's that simple. You can phone them up as well. It is not hard at all. And if you're at Oxford, the colleges in your welcome pack send you a letter which tells you exactly how to do it. So you don't have an excuse, just do it.
Do it!
Number 2. It was actually probably more important than number 1 now I think about it, but you need to register for your course. People don't tell you this, and the emails probably go to spam, but after you've got your results, you need to actually register to be part of the uni so that you can start and be registered for your exams. I assume this is every uni, but definitely at... I've got my list on my phone, I'll start looking at. Definitely at Oxford, you have to like go through a whole process where you put your like name, address, chosen name, medical conditions, etc. in a big online form and then send it off. And until you've done that, you're not actually going to be a student at the uni yet, and you won't get... So for me, I won't get my bod card, my student card, if I haven't done this by a certain date. So get that done. It's like a date in September. So yeah, do that ASAP. Otherwise, you ain't going nowhere. So number 3 is probably something you've already been told / would think of. Look up the reading lists. I'm not saying go out and buy all the books, just look them up, look what titles, like, so you've got some recognition there when you get your first reading list and you're not like, oh my god, who the hell is Gates? Look them up, find a bit about the people, look at, particularly if you're doing like sociology, anthropology, etc. Find people on the set reading list and then Google them. Literally look at their Wikipedia, find out what perspective they are in sociology or anthropology or geography. Are they a Marxist? Are they a feminist? Are they interpretivist? Or, you know, all of the ists. It will make it easier when you come to the essay. You'll know the background, you'll know what you're doing. Don't like sit and read the books for hours, go celebrate your results, seriously. You will have enough work to do when you get to uni, don't start early, you will hate yourself. And if there's any textbooks that I recommended, go on Amazon and get them for like £2. Don't buy them new, that's daft. There's also pages on like the university like Facebook pages where the freshers groups where like second years post their books. Take advantage of that. Number 4. This probably sounds stupid now I'm saying it out loud, but look up where the nearest like cheap supermarkets are and pharmacies, because again, you will need pharmacies during your time and you're definitely going to need shops to buy food. So look at the nearest places to go where you're not going to be like spending £6 on a loaf of bread in Waitrose. I've never actually bought a loaf of bread from Waitrose, so you can tell me if I'm wrong with the pricing there, but I reckon it's about right. Shay, come tell me what you're doing to prepare for Freshers Week.
No,
Why?
I'm in pyjamas. I'm not doing it. Tell you what, I'm doing more shifts, so I'll piss off.
Okay, number 6, as you heard from out there, save money for freshers and essentially the whole of September, save money. So do more shifts at work if you can. Just don't spend ridiculous amounts of money in September because believe me, you will need it when you get to uni, particularly if you have a mental freshers week. You're gonna be broke within 7 days. Yeah, that Tesco chili one's really nice.
Shut up.
Number 7, 7 is not one that I have contributed to this. This is a friend of mine who went to Salford for her Freshers Week, has said don't buy the wristbands. Apparently they're a rip-off, so they cost you ridiculous amounts of money, like 70 quid for, I think there's 7 nights of nights out, but that doesn't guarantee that everyone's going to go to that night or that night's going to be good, anyone's actually going to go to it. Particularly on this person's Freshers Week, one of the venues was changed last minute, so when they went to the new venue no one was there and they had to pay for a different night anyway. Also, you're going to be knackered halfway through. You might not go to every week of Freshers Week, and don't force yourself to because it's pointless. You're not going to have fun if you're tired or still hungover. So yeah, just don't buy the wristbands. No matter how many times people say, oh, they're so good value for money, just don't do it. Just buy the tickets on the night. There will be individual night tickets and door tickets. Just don't bother getting the bundle. Ha! Number 8, don't add the reps on Facebook. You get so many friend requests of people. I know at Oxford it's like something VE, someone else. Like VE stands for varsity events. And you, like I know in Manchester they have, again, they'll always have a cover photo or a profile picture that is the events, or a club photo that's got like, come to such and such with £1 shots on Fridays. It's like, just don't add them on Facebook. Like, but it's nothing wrong with someone being a rep, because you earn money from it, you get free nights out. Great, fair enough. But don't add them on Facebook because you just get spam, spam, spam. You'll get direct messages saying, oh, you're coming on this night out. These people's profiles are open enough for you to message them directly if you want a ticket. Don't add them on Facebook because you will spend every day seeing like 6 adverts for some night that you don't want to go to. Just a tip. Also, you don't know them, and once you add them they can see all of your stuff. And it's just a bit weird. Yeah, and usually they'll be like the year above or 2 years above, and it's kind of sharky.
Baby shark doo.
Number 9 is quite similar to number 8 in that it's social media related. So go through your social media and clean it out. Unless you want your new friends to scroll through your pictures from 7 years ago and see things that you've posted on Facebook when you were in year 7, just go through and clean it. Get rid of people you no longer talk to. Essentially just do a big awesome clean of your Facebook accounts. Instagram, put them on private unless you've got like a professional account. Like I have a private account and my YouTube account. Because when you're at uni is the time when you're going to be looking for employers as well. So you don't want them to be able to go through and see all of your pictures from Freshers Week because it's just not very professional. And finally, again on the awesome clean out notes, declutter your laptop. I'm so guilty of not doing this. Your laptop will be full of utter shite. And you're going to need the memory on that for your lectures and your essays and your revision notes. And you don't want to be like saving things and it tell you you've not got any memory left. And okay, granted most people have better laptops than me, so fair enough, you might have 64,000 gigabytes. I don't, and a lot of people don't either. So this is for you guys who only have mediocre purpleness. Just go through, declutter everything, back up everything you actually want, and get one of them external hard drives and take it with you, and like every week back up all of your work, because accidents happen and you could lose everything. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it enlightened you on some of the things that you didn't think about / were never told to do before Freshers Week. Remember to like and subscribe here or here, depending on what you are watching on, you know? Yeah, do that, please.